Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Camille from American Girl Dolls. So let's get started. To draw Camille, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to start by right here and I'm going to be drawing a wide bottom of a U. So I'm just going to go right across, say about this wide. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. So then from there, I'm going to come in this area where I started and draw the eyes first. So I'm going to come in here and draw a circle right next to the edge. And same thing on this side. Okay, so then now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here, two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so I have these gorgeous eyes in. Now let's come to the edge right here. I'm just going to give it some lashes. I'm just going to pop out two curves. Shorter one at the bottom, a longer one at the top. So same thing over here, and a shorter one. Okay, so then from there, let's come right here and give it a sweet smile. Give her a sweet smile. So right in the center and cap it off. From there, let's come up and we're going to start to draw her hair and her forehead. So I'm going to imagine like her head's about this high. So then about right here, just give myself a point, about right there where her hair parts, I'm going to bring down a curve. And connect it. So on this side, we're going to go up and come back down to this point. Just bring down a curve all the way down. Okay, so then from there, let's come up to this point right here where where her hair is going to part, and just give yourself a slight angle line. And about right here, just going to give ourselves a point, and this is where her hair is going to part. So from here, we're going to come down. And from here, I'm going to go up. So let's come back in here and we're just going to finish off this curve for her hair. And bring this down right alongside. And we're going to bring this up. And let's bring this down. Went a little too high. So I'm going to cut it off a little bit. Okay. And come back in here and fix this part right here where the hair parts. And from here she has some details on her hair. So let's come in here first. I'm going to draw this first curve that just kind of comes down. And then right here, I'm going to bring in a slight curve right in this area. And it's all going to come together with this little clip right here that's a star. So in this area, I'm just going to draw a star at an angle. So let's come about right here. Just give it 5 points. Nothing fancy. And then we're just going to bring this in. Clip it right there. And then we're just going to finish this curve down. And just imagine this curve continuing. And coming in. And then we're just going to finish this curve all the way back out. From there, we can come in here and just give it some details for her hair and where her hair parts. And then in this area, we're going to tuck a little ear in, so you won't see much of it. So I'm just going to come in here and just draw a little curve. And then let's come up here and draw the brow. So we're just going to come straight up and just draw a curve over the eye. Very simple curve. So about right here. And draw another curve. And that is pretty much it for the face. So then let's come here and draw the body. So right in the center, I'm going to give her a little neck. And then we're going to bring down her shoulders. And then from there, I'm going to kind of imagine her armpits are about right here. So just give myself a slight angle line on both sides. And then come back in here for the collar. So just a curve right in the center. And then I'm going to start to poof out her sleeves on both sides. And connect it. And then you can come in here and just connect this part for her shirt. Okay, so from there, we know that she has this little bow on her waist. So, and it's gonna kind of cover her waist area right here. So I'm gonna come in the center about right here and just draw my center for the bow. And I'm gonna stretch out the bow all the way to the side and bring it back in for the loop. So same thing on this side, stretch it out all the way and bring it back in. And then you come in here for some details. And then right here also draw the tail of the bow on both sides. So then you have to loop the bow in. Then from there we can start to draw her skirt. So I'm going to pop it out about right here. And same thing on this side. Okay, so then from there, we're going to, let's bring this down a little bit more. So it's kind of even on both sides. And from there, I'm just going to draw these angles. So I'm going to come in here, maybe one curve towards the center, and up, down, and bring it back in. She has these sharp cuts to her skirt. And then in this area right here where it's a little bit higher up, I'm going to come in here and draw one angle and curve it in. And then let's come in here and just give it some lines so that you can tell that the cloth is folding up. And let's see here, now to draw the hands. So we're going to come in this area, and I'm just, the first hand right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve right there. And this is going to come down following that curve. And as I come closer to here, I'm just going to give a little indication of her hand. And just curve it out. Just a nice, easy way to cheat because the skirt covers it. You don't have to draw too many details. So on this side, I'm just going to change it up a little bit. So same curve inside, but this one, her hand is more tucked in, so you don't see any of her hand, just her arms. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. So we come in this area, so about right here. Draw her legs. I'm just going to give myself some points so I know where to put her legs. Right there, and then I'm going to bring it down. So same thing on this side. From there, we're going to cap off this area right here with a curve. So then we start to draw her welly boots. And so come down on both sides. And right here, we're going to flare it out and connect it. So same thing on this side. These cute little boots. And flare it out and connect it. Then from there, let's come in here for some details. So we're just going to draw one curve on both sides. And then in here, give it a bottom. And then the top, right here, a curve. And then it has these eyes. So we're going to come in here, it's so small. But I think we can do it in a smile. And a smile. There. So then let's come back in here and finish off her hair. So I'm just going to bring this curve in because she has a straight hair. So it's nice and simple. And I'm just going to bring that in as well. Just make it a lot easier. So there, that's pretty much it for Camille from American Girl Dolls. When you're coloring it, you can add that little freckle that's on her face and also all the patterns that's on her outfit. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys loved it. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.